In this video, I will show you how to add a vertical divider in Notion. So the first thing you need to do is you need to type slash and then type Q and then type click on quote, and then here you need to press shift enter to make it align, and then here the empty space, you need to drag it here on the left side to make it on the center here, and then after that I will create another vertical divider here to make it like a 3 columns. So I will click on empty space, click slash, and then click on quote, and then shift enter again, and then I will drag it again here to make the another column. So you see it's not aligned, so it's not a perfect line, but it is just for an example. So I will type slash and then click on to-do list. So you will see that it is outside the vertical divider here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I will put this on the bottom here, and then after that I will press the backspace on the keyboard here to make it at the top, and then after that I will click on the bottom of to-do list, and then I will type slash again, then I will click on the to-do list, then I will repeat it again and again until I complete this to do. So repeat it until you can create a line in vertical divider. And here, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.